The outer circle train forward.
If you guys are new to my channel, I do make short form food content to almost all the places I've eaten, so be sure to check out my YouTube shorts and I'll link them in the description below. Yeah, I guess so.
Just that.
Trying fast casual chain Ssada Gimbap in Myeong-dong, Seoul. Alright guys, we got checked in at our second hotel. We got the bed. This will probably be my side. That'll be my girlfriend's side. Got a little eating area, little office space area. And then we got the street view, which is pretty nice. This will look really cool at night. Oh, we got a couple bathrobes here. Bam. And then nice little TV action with a great view. Bang. And we also got this nice ass fridge. Bam. And then over here we got a closet. Pretty standard closet. And toilet, me, and then a little bathtub, little rain shower. What is it? What do you call these? Rain showers, overhead rain shower. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
너 근데 너 나보다 안 돼.
I just want a little bit.